Namaste and welcome everyone to Ronak Yoga YouTube channel. Today's class is going to be about two breathing techniques to cool down in summer. These are two very sacred, beautiful pranayamas which can help you cool down during this summer season. So starting with the first pranayam, which is Chandra Bhedi pranayam or moon nostril breathing pranayam. That is your left nostril breathing pranayam. So you will be sitting with your back straight, shoulders are relaxed. Block your right nostril from your thumb. Left hand will be in the prana mudra. Block your right nostril from the thumb. First two fingers on your third eye and slowly inhale from the left and softly exhale through the left. Breathing in from the left and exhale from the left. And after your exhalation, you can relax your hands and slowly open your eyes. Now, there are lots of benefits of this left nostril breathing exercise. First, your left nostril is connected to the right brain, the intellectual brain. So it cools down that side of the brain, which also in turn changes the temperature in your body. So your body will be much cooler if you do the left nostril breathing in and breathing out. Anyone watching this video having any high blood pressure or gets dizzy in this summer due to the warm temperature, you can do the left nostril breathing and easily cool down your blood pressure as well. The high blood pressure students. Low blood pressure students should avoid it. That's a precaution. I'll come to the precautions in some time. The third benefit here is you are activating the moon side, the more calmer side. You feel more calm, relaxed. If you feel anxious or anxiety due to the summers, or you get panic attacks, because there are lots of messages which are coming to me on Instagram and Facebook that in summers I get panic attack or I get more anxious due to the heat outside, the temperature outside, the environment. People are in so much of chaos. So that's where left nostril breathing will calm you down. Moving on to the precautions. Anyone with low blood pressure should avoid doing the moon nostril breathing. Apart from that, everyone can try this, and also moon nostril breathing should be avoided in doing it in winters. So you should not do this breathing exercise a lot in winters. Now, moving on to the second pranayam, which is again a very beautiful pranayam to cool down your system. It's one of the pranayam which takes care of your gums. Any student who is not able to roll his or her tongue like this, I will teach you the second alternative as well. It's called Sheetli, Sheetkari or Sadanta Pranayam. Sheetli, Sheetkari or Sadanta Pranayam. Alright? So, moving to the technique. The first technique is roll your tongue and inhale from the mouth. Hold your breath and exhale. You can choose to exhale from the mouth or you can choose to exhale from the nostrils. I'll show you one more round. Roll your tongue like a U and inhale from the mouth. Hold your breath for 5, 4, 3, 2 and exhale from the mouth or from the nose. Now those who cannot roll, their tongue, also called square lip breathing exercise, where you have to make your lips like square. Show your teeth and inhale from the mouth. Lock your lips and exhale. One more round. Show your teeth. Lock your lips. Exhale. You can choose to hold your breath after inhalation for 2 to 5 seconds, whatever is comfortable for you. If you have any heart disorders or any blood pressure disorder, you should not hold your breath for long. 1 or 2 seconds is enough. Sadanta, Sheetli, Sheetkari Pranayam, similar benefits like the moon nostril breathing. An added benefit is it's one of the only pranayam which works on your gums. Now many kids have been eating chocolates and the gums go bad, or for adults as well, because if you have eaten a lot of chocolates in your childhood, and that's where your gums, your teeth are a little weaker. Second, it also helps all the actors, flight attendants, and those who are close to another actor or co-actor or co-actress, and anyone in general working in office. Bad breath. Bad breath is very common thing in today's time. Instead of using any chemical liquids or any kind of external products, the easy breathing exercise which helps in bad breath is Sadanta Pranayama. So that's it for today, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it on your social media platform. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful audience. Take care and bye-bye.